In my last video, I told you that I would show you how to make this paper airplane. I came up with this design myself, and that's why it flies so unusually. Just look at it. I think you should definitely try making one too. Now I will show you how to make it.
Origami University.
Just repeat all the movements after me and you will succeed. The plane is ready.